Welcome to Nifty Gobind, where we guide you through finance and investing. Today's topic, share market volatility and the real risk of gambling with your money. Volatility in the stock market causes prices to move up and down unpredictably. What does that mean for you as an investor? Without proper knowledge, it can feel like gambling. Every rise seems like a quick win, but also a big loss. Investing without understanding is gambling. Your money is at risk with no real strategy. Many lose money simply because they don't take time to learn how the market works. When you learn about the stock market, it becomes strategy, not just luck. Understanding market volatility, cycles, and influences gives you a stronger chance at success. Making informed decisions aligned with your financial goals leads to more consistent growth in your portfolio.
We break down the essential concepts of support and resistance in the stock market, offering actionable insights to enhance your trading strategy. Guided by the powerful and bold sound of Nifty Gobind, we provide expert knowledge on identifying key market levels. This video is a call to action for all traders, especially options buyers. Proven techniques and knowledge are critical to success. Navigating options trading without knowledge is like sailing without a map. Understand the market to increase your success. We aim to equip you with tools to read market trends, recognize support and resistance zones, and make informed decisions. The journey to financial stability starts with knowledge. Options trading without knowledge is just a gamble.
Every day, thousands of people step into the world of stock markets. Some win big, others lose everything. So, how do you turn the odds in your favor? Is it about luck, or is it about understanding the market and making informed decisions? Today, we're diving into the concept that defines every investment, risk versus reward. You must understand that for every potential gain, there's a risk. But with the right knowledge, you can control and reduce that risk. The key question investors should ask themselves: what's the risk and what's the potential reward? This is how professionals, operators, and experienced investors navigate the market. Volatility, the up and down movement of stock prices, can either scare you or excite you. But the reality is, market volatility isn't your enemy. It's an opportunity to maximize your gains when you know how to navigate it. Casual investors react to every price change, buying when they think it's going up and selling in fear when it drops. But operators, the professionals, take a different approach. Operators understand the market's volatility. They look at long-term trends, patterns, and use tools like technical analysis to assess risks and rewards.